Hi, I'm Nancy Schick, attorney, mediator, and conflict resolution coach in New York City. My goal is to keep you out of court and build your conflict resolution skills. So the conflict I want to talk about again, that I talk about a lot, you've probably heard me talk about it on podcasts and radio programs, it's because it's such an important issue, and that is worker misclassification. Especially right now, we are seeing an uptick in penalty notices going out. So I've been putting that off because I know we're overwhelmed with so much information because of the coronavirus, but some of you can't wait anymore. There's a penalty notice sitting in the Department of Labor or the New York State Workers' Compensation Board with your name on it. And why might that happen? It's that you may have misclassified a worker. And obviously, with all of the programs that are available for people who are out of work right now, there are a lot of people that have documentation out there now that might have named you as a potential employer. So one of the ways that I see that very often is with an unemployment claim, for example. The worker that's suddenly out of work and needs those unemployment insurance benefits files like anybody would. Maybe they've never done it before and they're doing it for the first time, and the Department of Labor will ask for all of the earnings that that particular person has made for the last year, and you may be named as an employer instead of a client. So one of the big things I like people to think about is if it's a true independent contractor, it is someone who runs an independent business and they have a contract, right? That's a one very simple way to recognize that you might have people that are in that gray area that could be deemed your employee. The other thing you want to look at is if you're paying them under their social security number instead of an employer identification number or a tax identification number that's separate from their social security number. And we're seeing this also come up with the paid family leave insurance, short-term disability insurance, and of course, workers' compensation insurance. All of the claims for those types of benefits that are coming out of the coronavirus are red flagging various employers for auditing. So what I did is I created a self-audit course, and it's in my online school. For those of you that think you can deal with this right now, I totally encourage you to take a look at it and see if you can do your self-audit and identify the issues before the state sends you that notice and identifies them for you. And then, of course, if you need additional assistance, you can reach out for a consultation. I'll put the link to the course in the notes to this video. And in the meantime, stay healthy and mentally strong.